Lorenzo Gutierrez from Barangay 935, Patak, Ilocos Norte. I'm 17 years old. I was born December 5, 1990, 5'5" high, weight 69 kilograms. I'm a simple and friendly person. I finished elementary level at Mariano Marcos Memorial Elementary School. After that, I finished high school level at Patak National High School, Poblacion Campus. And now, I'm studying in Northwestern University, second year student, taking up Bachelor of Science Marine Transportation. And my hobbies are playing basketball, billiards, computer games, and basketball. Information, just call my number 0918-7350-194 and check my email address ben_saud@yahoo.com.ph. Thank you, sir, and good day.